let's make a healthy pumpkin bread. This one's a real treat. We're going to start in the blender with adding 12 softened medjool dates, 1/4 cup of white beans, and a 1/2 cup of molasses or date syrup. You can also use maple syrup, 2 flax eggs, and combine until nice and smooth. Add 1.5 cups of almond milk to really puree it nicely, and add a cup of pumpkin puree and puree once more until it's really nice, smooth, and silky. Add 1.5 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice, vanilla extract, flours, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Combine that and then add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, and with a spatula combine lightly until there are no flour clumps left. Lightly grease a loaf tin with a little bit of spray oil. Add all of that mixture to your tin. Smooth it out with a spatula. Make sure to get all the air out. And add, optionally, some chopped nuts on the very top and some cinnamon if you'd like. Pat it down so it sticks and bake at 375, 190°C for 10 minutes, then 350 for another 50 minutes. It's going to bake long for an hour, but this is to ensure a really nice and thorough bake. Because this is a healthy bread, it's not going to be as fluffy and airy as most bakes, but it's delicious, scrumptious, you won't feel guilty, and it has really nutritive ingredients in it, and it tastes very nice. I love to enjoy this bread with a tablespoon of almond butter and a cold glass of almond milk. If you guys like this channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel for videos every Friday and daily shorts. See you next time.